First we will stitch brown fabric and black fabric together from the center. As you can see, I have stitched them together. Now we will create neckline. For neckline, my shoulder measurement is 3.5. And the length of the neck is 5.5. Now I will stitch my neckline with the main fabric. Now I will cut the excess fabric and turn the neckline. And give a top stitch. Now I will stitch the shoulder. After stitching the shoulder, now I will attach the sleeves. I will attach black sleeves towards black side of kurti and brown sleeves towards brown side of kurti. As you can see, I have stitched the sleeves, brown sleeves towards brown side and black sleeves towards black side. And now I will stitch the fittings and it's done. I hope you like it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.